Hey guys, Fix It John. Our doorknob quit working. I had to go down to Lowe's and get a replacement. So I went down to the Lowe's store and got a new Schlage. Just hopefully it's just like the same one I bought before. But I go there and the guy didn't have the equipment to rekey it. He said they were missing a piece of equipment or something. They couldn't rekey it. So I thought, well, I'll just go to the other Lowe's store and buy the doorknob. And so I go there and purchase this one, and their guy wouldn't be there until tomorrow. So I'm like, screw it. I'll just rekey it myself. It couldn't be that hard. Surely you don't need a 4-year degree to do that. And although it may take some people a 4-year degree to do it, but I don't want to go back to the store. I'm just telling you guys this because I don't look for stuff around the house to do. I literally have enough crap to do around here. I went to 2 stores hoping I could get it rekeyed, not had to fart with it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to rekey this one, and this will be the first one I've rekeyed, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So let's take a look and see if we can get it rekeyed. All right, guys, you don't want to start this job without a nice hot cup of coffee. Otherwise, you could screw it up badly. So this is what we're after right here. This is the locking mechanism. So I'm thinking there's some release pins somewhere, like right here. But what you need to do is put the key in it. And I don't know if you can see this little mechanism here. That needs to go in so you can get this out. Let's see if we can push that in. There it goes. Just pull this out. You got to turn this like 90 degrees to release that pin. If you just push it down, it's not going to go in. Pull the key out, and then this locking mechanism here. There it is right there. Now we need to get this out. There. You have to come up in here I had to push this thing down right here with my pick because it was raised up. So we're going to pull that out, and that'll spring back up. See how that did that? Sort of aim it at an angle down. You don't need the screwdriver, and it comes right out. Now we're going to use the same tumblers that are in here to put in the new lock. We need something to follow this key lock. Yeah, first thing I need to do is, there's a C-clamp on here, and I need to take it off. See it right there? A little black thing. Now I'll get my screwdriver under it. Sorry you couldn't see it, but I just got enough to catch it with my screwdriver up under it. There, that's what we're looking for. I'm not going out and buying a tool set and all that crap for this. A bolt follower. I'm going to use just what I have here. But the idea, and I'm going to need a little bigger one, is to follow this through so these springs don't come shooting out. One of the tumblers fell out. I made my own cylinder follower. I don't know if it's going to work yet, but that's it right there. To keep these springs and tumblers up in there. So I don't know if it's going to work. I'm just going to try it. It's all I can do. Just going to push it in through here. This is my homemade cylinder follower. Maybe too big too. I have to use this and just press up against it. Yep, there it is. One's falling out. That's it right there. Let that one drop out. There it is. Probably gonna have another one coming out, but I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna have to practice on this one here before I open that new one up. That's what you need the follower for, because those suckers fall right out. I need to find something that's going to work. That follower is too narrow, too fat. I made me a cylinder follower out of just, well, I think it's like 3/8 hose. Here's my cylinder follower, and you really need it. All that other crap I showed you that I had, this here, the magnet, drill bits, it's not going to work. This is what I ended up with, a bunch of bent springs and locking pins falling out. I had to customize this cylinder follower. You look at it right here, it's cut out because you want to cover this thing up. This thing is like an oval shape, and it wouldn't go through the cylinder with it over it, so I had to cut the ends out to make it flush all the way around. And now I can push it into the cylinder, zip, and that should keep those pins and springs from falling out. I'm going to use this old locking mechanism here so I don't have to fart with rekeying the new one. And they should fall flush. Boom, there it is. What I did was I cut this sucker out, I melted it, I sanded it, so I got a nice finish on it. So here's the new one. And I need to do this so I don't bother Lowe's. Lowe's is very busy. And we just need to turn the key 90 degrees, get my screwdriver on it, so we can push this retainer pin in. And then pull the knob out with your hand at the same time. And just pull that out. And the key cylinder comes with it. Take our little screwdriver right here. That's the way I'm doing it. Tilting it down as far as I can. Holding the key with my finger back here. Keep it tilted down. I may need that little hook. As soon as I push that down, I'm pushing it through with my finger. Right there. There it is. Taking this C-clamp out. And there, I can bite the edge of it here with my pick, whatever you want to call it, and just knock that C-clamp, that locking C-ring. There. And there it is. All right, now for the scary part, guys. We have to push this cylinder through without knocking these down. I'm gonna throw a little silicone paste in here so these don't accidentally fall out. Put a little silicone paste on my follower. All right, there. Knock that cylinder out. There it is, coming out. Bam. We don't need that anymore. We need this one right here. Woo-wee. Hope you guys can see what's going on. This is a $38 lock. Now you don't want this to come apart from your follower. Something's hung up in here. Well, maybe, maybe not. There it is. There, it's turning. So we just caught up, no damage. Put our C-clamp on. And we can use either one here. Let's use this, the new one. There we go. Sort of aim it at an angle down. You don't need the screwdriver, and it comes right out. Guys, I'm going to show you how to load this cylinder up into your doorknob. See that shiny spot right there? That is flat all the way around, close to the cylinder until you get to that gap. And then you have one gap in the center there. Then you take your cylinder. You want to put it in keyway first. So we're just going to squeeze that down and let it pop open in that opening up there. Line this side up here with this little catch mechanism here. On the top of this spring tumbler, we'll go through this ridge right here. And you may have to work it a little bit with your finger in the back to straighten it up. Now you may need to take your key to line this. You'll want to turn this, and that loosens this mechanism up here. Because if you don't turn it and you just have it straight, you push this in, you can push that down, put it on, but it's still not gonna get keyed in there. You need to turn this, you need to turn your key and push it in. Let's see how it works. Turn it to the left, lock it, locks. Turn it to the right, unlock it, unlocks. There it is. Just like the rich kids down the street. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. Fix It John. Moving on to the next project.